Let's create it in my documents. So we have to download this data, that is the task. So you have to activate this. It says cannot be used in process chains because we have selected the path. If we would have selected the application server, it won't show this message. So that means that for the application server, if we are downloading it to the application server, we can use the process chains in that to automate the process. Once you activate it, back. Here in the object we have created, OHD we have created, we have to create transformations and DTP just like normal process. So the source would be InfoCube. Here we have extra mappings because we have created these fields here, but we don't need those fields because we are not passing any data to those fields.
Why are we not passing any data to those fields?
Because we had to create the flat file beforehand to create to pass the data, but we haven't created flat file accordingly. I just created those fields to show you how the to while explaining the InfoCube I created these fields for date fields. So once you are done with the transformation, you have to activate them. When it is activated, we can go back and see. Now we have to create the DTP from open up destination to the from InfoCube to OHD. So continue that. When you activate it, I sent you the mail. Have you got it, Aqua?
Oh, let me check.
In that one, there is a navigation. In that one, there is the open up destination as well.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So here we execute it. Here we have, I guess we haven't got data updated. Here we have got two files. One is yes underscore SLS data, which is a file with the technical details of the data, and then this is the actual file of open up destination. So here for the files, the naming convention is in the open up destination yes underscore ohd name underscore data dot csv. Then there is another file ohd name dot csv. So these two files get created whenever you create an OHT and whenever you download the data. So this file, this first one is the one with the information of about the data, and the second file is the one actual data, actual file with the data. So here you can see the information about the fields and the data. So here you will
Monday.
see the actual data.
Monday. Stop it.
So did you see this?
Yes.
Everyone understood, right? Any doubts in this?
Uh, yeah, I didn't quite follow thoroughly.
Okay. So okay. Where is Adi?
I'm here.
I thought he.
Yeah. So let's. I will show you what actually I have done here. Here, after going to the RSA one, our task today was to download the data which is in the cube. So we have seen in the list schema, generally I have shown the new transaction code to you so that you can understand. There is a new transaction code like list cube. See the data. Other than while you are creating the objects, you will see that in manage. So generally, if you directly want to check the data, you can go to the list cube, give the data target name, and execute with the SID or without SID. You can execute. There are options for that. So here, when you see this, it is a selection. It is easy to select the fields because there are no. Uh, I mean, there is no SID table field for each and every field. So here this is the list cube. So this is what I have done. So here you have seen the data. So here the task is we have this data right in the cube. We want this data on the computer. So from the BW server to the computer, we are downloading the data, in other words. So for that purpose, we have OpenHub destinations as the data distributors. By using OpenHub destinations, you can transfer the data from BW server to the uh, client, to the client station or to the application server. You can download it to the computer or to the application server. There are two options. If you download it to the application server, it means that you can further, use them in the process chains. So that there is the functionality you can use if you download it to the application server. And if you download it to the another path, then you cannot add them to the process chains. But you can get the data, normal data. Like in the file, downloaded data. A process chains are used to automate the process. For example, we have done this once. We don't want to do it again every time. So for that purpose, we create a process chain and add all the DTPs and so after adding that, you have to only execute the process chain. You don't have to